Today I made a tutorial on how to make a TikTok-style edit. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials that will help you become better editors. Okay, mark all the clips, layers, then press T, and then make a keyframe of 100 at the beginning and 30 or 50 at the end, and copy the graph. Now add the BCC lens blur OBS effect, and after you change to lens 2, make a keyframe of 10 at the beginning and 0 at the end and copy the graph. And add exposure effect, make a keyframe of 1 at the beginning and 0 at the end and copy the graph. If you want your edit to look much better, add a CC. My CC can improve your edits to be more perfect.